Hello students, today we will be solving the CPT June 2018 question paper. We will be solving question on number 63 today, which is basically we have to find out the value of the limit x plus x square plus x cube and up till x10 minus 10 upon x minus 1 where x tends to 1. The options are 55, 45, 35 and 25. So these are the four options that we have been given. So as you can see over here, if we put x equal to 1 over here, then we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, 10 times 1 minus 10. So 10 minus 10 will be basically we have 0 in the numerator. And again, if you put x equal to 1 in the denominator, then we have 1 minus 1. So it is basically a 0 by 0 format. So if we have a 0 by 0 format, what we can do? We use the L'Hospital rule, where we differentiate both the numerator and the denominator with respect to x till the time when the 0 by 0 format is eliminated. So what we'll do the same thing over here. We'll differentiate both the numerator and denominator differently, separately with respect to x. So we have, upon applying the L'Hospital rule, we'll have limit x tends to 1. We'll have differentiation of x will be basically 1. Then we have twice x, then thrice x square, and then finally we have 10x to the power 9, and differentiation of 10 is basically 0. So there is one 0 over here, and then we have 1. Okay, so this will basically give us limit of x tends to 1 plus twice x plus thrice x square, and this goes on up till 10x to the power 9. So if we now put x to the power 1 over here, then we have the format 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this goes on up till 10. So as you can see over here this sum is equal to, since you have 10 terms, 10 by 2 first term plus the last term. So this will be equal to 5 into 11, and this will be equal to 55, which is the option A. So option A over here is the correct option. This is question number 63. Now we'll move forward to the next question. Now the next question, which is question number 64, it has been given that if f of x is equal to e to the power ux minus e to the power vx upon x, then the value of limit of fx as x tends to 0 is equal to option A 0, option B u minus v, option C v minus u, and option D infinity. So these are the four options that we have been given. So now limit fx is basically e to the power ux minus e to the power vx by x as x tends to 0. So this we can break it down as limit of x to the power limit x tends to 0 e to the power ux minus 1 plus 1 minus e to the power vx by x. We add 1 and subtract 1. So this can be further broken down as limit x tends to 0 e to the power ux minus 1 by x minus limit x tends to 0 e to the power vx minus 1 by x. So this entire format e to the power, so this the value of this entire function e to the power limit e to the power ux minus 1 by x is nothing but equal to u minus this value is equal to v. So we ultimately have u minus v, which is nothing but the option B. So option B over here is the correct option. So today we have solved two questions, question number 63 and 64. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.